What's up, guys? Back here at the property. Hope everybody's doing well. All right, so they just finished the fence today. They put up the two 10-foot gates. As you can see, I'm amazed at all the progress that we've made over the last couple weeks. You can see the culverts in. That was the first thing we started with. And we have two 10-foot gates right here to close the property. I'm gonna go to Home Depot in a few minutes and get the locks to lock them. All right, so guys, looking at the property now, I can really see what I'm working with. As you can see, I got my dirt pile right there. I got my tree down back there that I got to get rid of. And starting off right here in the beginning of the property, guys, I told you guys I had some collusion plants that I want to line up along the front of the property right here on both sides. Well, actually, I want to put collusion plants around the whole property, all the way around, to give me a little privacy out here. I don't have enough for that right now because I only have what little bit I do have that I picked up from my neighbors. So I got to get some more to go all the way around the property to create that wall. The guy that put in the fence for me, he's actually going to be back on Friday to actually bring me some more logs so I can have an outline for the garden boxes on the ground of where I'm going to be putting those. I'll be using this dirt that I told you guys about, and I'll be mixing this with some cow manure along with some other pulp and all kind of other stuff to try to amend this soil to get it right. And let's see, looking at the rest of the property, all of my fruit trees, guys, will be all the way back here along this wall right here. I'll be starting off at the back there, probably starting off with avocado trees, avocado, lychee, banana trees, and then the papaya trees. They won't even come all the way up past this tree right here. They're still going to be way back there in the back, but at least I have a lot of room back there to put them. Over here, guys, I'll probably have them deliver me some gravel, because when I come over here, I want to be able to park my travel trailer, my RV on the somewhere around here in the middle of the property. I'm coming back on Saturday. I'm gonna bring the collusion plants and I'm gonna start putting those down. And like I said, I'll start putting in the fruit trees over here in this left corner back here. Okay, I'm also gonna bring a saw over here, electric saw, with my generator on Saturday, so that I can try to cut this tree in pieces. And I'm going to set fire to that tree trunk right there. Well, not the trunk, but the stump. So I got a lot of work to do. It's already making me tired just looking at all this stuff. And hopefully next week, guys, I will be ordering my my garden beds and getting those on the ground so I can go ahead and start using this dirt, put that in there. I still have until October next year, guys, before I actually start trying to grow my vegetables here. And I still have to get my my well permit to get that installed as well. So I still have a lot of work to do, but for right now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and run to Home Depot and get this chain that I need for my gate so I can close this gate off. And that's about it, guys. So I'm really happy with the amount of work that we was able to get done over these last 2 weeks that I've started this project. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.